We can change our viewpoints when we are working with our object. Actually, this is not moving the objects or copying the object. This is just changing the viewpoint. We are looking at the object from that point. Right now I am having an isometric view in my environment. We can tell that by just looking at this angle here. This tells me that this is the isometric view. If I want to change my view, I can just rotate my view. How can you rotate your view? Press your middle mouse button and hold it. This helps you to rotate your object in different directions. You can see that I can move it to different directions, and when I am happy I just release the mouse button. That's it. And again, if I want to rotate it once again, middle mouse button, click and hold, and then move your mouse to the left, right, top or bottom, and find the angle that you're going to work with, that angle. That's okay. Now if I want to pan my view, once again I'm saying that I am panning my view, not the object. Object is not moved a bit. This is just changing the view that I am looking at that object. Press Ctrl and then hold your middle mouse button. This helps you to pan to the left, right, up or down. This is very nice command. And if I want to rotate my object in just one direction, how can I do that? Press Alt key on your keyboard and then your middle mouse button. You can see that this rotates your object, but in just one direction and not in different directions. So once again, middle mouse button only, rotate in any direction. Middle mouse button while pressing the Control key helps you pan, and middle mouse button while pressing the Alt key, this is going to help you to rotate in one direction. How can I go back to isometric view? Press Ctrl and 7. This helps you to go back to your isometric view. And again, I can read isometric on the bottom of this icon on the left side of my environment. Okay, there is another cool feature that we can use. Press spacebar on your keyboard and this cube is going to open. If I move my mouse over one of the sides or another side here, I can see a preview on the right side of the cube. This tells me that I can look at this angle and see this view if I want to, and if I am happy with the angle that I am working with, I just click on that. This takes me to that view. Once again, spacebar, select one of the views such as this one, and this is going to take you to that view. Once again, spacebar. All of them shows you a preview. But look at this dialog box that opened here. This is the orientation dialog box. This helps me again to have a preview, but not on the right side of the cube, on the top of your mouse. And you can see that I have different views. They open a preview on the corresponding side, and if I click on one of them, I will be taken to that view. But again, there is another icon here that tells me I can go to isometric view, and again, if I go here, I have diametric view and trimetric view. You can choose each of them and it will take you to that view. And once again, Control 7 takes you directly to the isometric view. That's a better option. So if you press the space bar, you have this cube and the orientation, and all of them are very cool features that change your view and help you to work with your object, your sketch, or whatever you are working with efficiently.